Okay, so to fill the customer information, especially in AdSense for YouTube, once you come here, Google AdSense, then you have to fill the customer information. So this is very important. Most of the time, many YouTubers made a mistake in here. So see this step, this procedure very carefully. The customer information place, what you have to do is in your account type, there is options here for individuals and for groups here. So for organization and for individual, so you have to select for individual. The other thing what you have to do here is after filling the information here in individual, here what you have to do is name and address. So in name and address you have to fill your full name. Just in, for example, this final family name or grandfather name is very important, because maybe there is name similarity in first name and in the middle name. If you add your third name, your grandfather name, that may eradicate the mistake which gonna happen with name similarity. The second thing what you have to do is the address line one. Address line one must be your country. If you are in Ethiopia, your address line one must be Ethiopia. If you are in Uganda, it must be Uganda. In Kenya, it must be Kenya. So address line 1 must be the country name. The second thing is address line 2. Address line 2 must be the PO box, the postal code. So in the postal code, what you have to do here is the first PO, then dot, then space. Okay, don't forget, most of the time many people made a mistake in this step. So you can put PO, capital PO, dot, then space, then box, then space, then you can write your 4-digit number, which is the postal box. Okay, this is in address line 2. The other thing is postal code. The postal code is especially the country code. So here I'm in Addis Ababa, so the Addis Ababa postal code is 1000. If in other Ethiopian states, maybe in Awasa different, Bahar Dar different, Gondar different. In a different series, we have a different postal code. So in Addis Ababa, it is 1000. So which is the same in everywhere. You can put your country postal code, especially your region postal code. And the last not but the least is city. So there is the city must be the current location you live. So for me, it is Addis Ababa. So make the first letter capital and the other small. So the last thing is here, phone number. Phone number is actually optional. If you want to add that phone number, what you have to do is you can insert your country code here. So you will have a lot of countries here, starting from here. For me, it's Ethiopia. So you can select your country code from here. And once you select your country code, then you can add your number. So once you finish that, the last step in the customer information, what you have to do is just submit. Okay, so the payment information is saved in the payments profile, which is associated with your Google account and shared across the Google services. So what you have to do now is, once finishing everything, you can review starting from the first to the last. After reviewing your account type, then name, then address line 1, address line 2, PO box 3, and phone number. Once you did this all, what you have to do now is just click here and submit. Finally, getting your AdSense for YouTube account is ready. So we are reviewing your information. Review usually take less than a day, but some case it can take a little bit longer, and you can check your account status in YouTube Studio. So which is directly tells that the information what you feel is accepted and everything is done. So now we can back and continue checking your status in YouTube Studio, and also look at your email account daily until something is approved. The directly link with email as well as your YouTube Studio. So this is all about how you can feed your personal information for AdSense account for YouTube. If you are new, don't forget to subscribe and be a family. God bless you. See you soon. Bye bye.